Okay, I'm going to talk to you about something very important in Crystal Lake. If you are on the lookout for a locksmith, Crystal Lake Locksmith is the dependable name in protection solutions. Crystal Lake Locksmith provides 24/7 emergency assistance, including home, business, and automobile locksmith expertise. The customer assistance retained by Crystal Lake Locksmith is unparalleled to any other company, since our customers have experienced the very best solutions for their demands only from us. We've become the prominent locksmith services provider in the Crystal Lake area. So call Crystal Lake Locksmith at 773-257-7594.